Would it replace my everyday brow routine? I don't think so. Look what I've got in the mail. I still cannot understand for the life of me how I'm on the Morphe PR list. This is the new Beauty is in the Details launch. You've got a brow pencil, a brow gel, and like this incredible micro sculpting stick. The way this is packaged is unreal. Imagine if you were going for surgery. You've got all like your tools in the little tray beside your bed. Like not your tools, the doctor's tools. Gorgeous. Obsessed with this little metal tray. We've got 7 shades of the contour stick, 6 shades of the brow pencil, and then the brow gel is just clear. Right, let's not waste any more time. I'm going to show you exactly how each of them work. I've got them on my face right now. First, we're going to do the brows. Desperately need brow gel because I feel so self-conscious right now. This is the Morphe Micro Manager Gripping Brow Gel. It's a 16-hour extreme hold gel. It doesn't feel flaky and it still feels flexible when you apply it. Also, it's infused with peptides and glycerin, so this is going to keep your brows looking full and healthy and hydrated. Absolutely love how this applies. This tiny applicator is everything. The fact it's so small, you can move individual hairs and it's easy as that. This is my usual brow gel that got to be glued waterproof, 16 milliliters, whereas this is only 4.4 grams. This I buy once a month. It literally runs out on me once a month with laminated brows. I can't imagine this is going to last me any more than a week. As much as I'm obsessed with it, I think the applicator is the best thing I've ever seen. I think I would have to keep this in my bag just for touch-ups because I can't buy this every week. Do you know what I mean? They don't set solid like they got to be. They actually feel like natural. This one sets so hard that if you like accidentally touched my eyebrow, you'd be freaked out. Then we have the Nano brow pencil. That is ridiculously small. It comes in 6 different shades. I'm using the shade Java. This is a deep neutral brown. Each of these I've got a 0.9 millimeter tip, which is going to give you the most lifelike hair strokes that you could possibly imagine. I just realised how bad my lip plumper looks. I look like I've had an allergic reaction. Would it replace my everyday brow routine? I don't think so. It's a very, very natural brow. It's not something I'm used to, but I do actually really like it. I've been an Anastasia Beverly Hills brow girl for like nearly 10 years now. They went from block brows to like a very laminated, borderline unnatural look, and I just don't think I can give it up. I use the dark brown dip brow pomade, and then the number 12 brush gives you the finest hair strokes. You'd have more defined strokes here than you have with this pencil, and I think it struggles, like once you've done the brow gel, it struggles to draw over it, and I don't like doing it the other way around because I think then the brow gel takes the pencil off. It's not just Morphe though. This is a problem that I have with like all brow pencils. I just don't think it's my cup of tea of a routine. If I was a pencil kind of gal, it would be this one, because I'm going to finish it off with dip brow because I've got stuff to do and I really need my brows to be done. Right, I can't lie, that's not my best brow that I've ever done. I am going to go and film a Hannah Montana makeup tutorial, not joking. I will be right back to show you the new defined contour sticks. Time for a little bit of shape shifting. Here we have all 7 shades: tapered, the lightest one; defined, the darkest one. I can get away with using any of the first 3, but my best match is enhanced. This is fair to light neutral undertones, and it also has a little sharpener in there. This gives the most precise application. You don't end up with too much product because it is creamy enough to blend out, even though the line looks super thin. Honestly, I feel like I'm carving myself out of surgery. I like to go across the tip of my nose and then on my cupid's bow and underneath, because it really does give a little plumping effect. Underneath my cheekbone and my jaw slash chin. And a large fluffy shader for the smaller bits, and then just your normal fluffy contour brush for the larger bit. Because it's not warm toned like a bronzer, it really carves it out. It looks really natural on camera, it looks really natural in real life. That is how you do contour without having like massive stripes on your face. This is the perfect product for that. So what do we think? I love these new products. I know I had little stumbles here and there with how it works with my routine, but they are all incredible products. The brow gel, I wouldn't buy it personally just because I'm not made of money and I feel like I'd be running out of this non-stop. The applicator is the best thing ever. I feel like I'm re-laminating my brows every time I use this. 10 out of 10. I just don't think I'd repurchase it. I'm gonna love every second while I've got it though. The brow pencil, gorgeous. My phone just completely turned off then mid-sentence. That was very rude. The spoolie on this is perfect because it is so fine. And then, have you ever seen a brow pencil that small? If you love brow pencils, you're going to be obsessed with this one. It is so good. And you know what? I was saying earlier, I'm not sure it gives me the results I want, but this brow actually looks really good. I don't know what I was belly aching about. Bit niche, but if you're an Anastasia Beverly Hills dark brown, then you will definitely be a Morphe Java. And then the Shapelifter Micro Contour Stick. Absolutely love this. It's really subtle, it does the job, it's very easy to apply, super creamy. 10 out of 10, would defo buy this again. But honestly, 3 of the shades suit me, so I think I'm going to work my way through those 3 first. And then I'll give some of the dark shades to my friends. They deserve to try this goodness. It's so good. If you need a new contour stick, make it this one. I hope you loved trying out these new products with me. Trying out new stuff is the most exciting part of all of this for me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification button. Don't know what other buttons are on this app. I forget, but all of that, and hopefully I will see you next time.